Gejala Mikalia Haksi to Oding Kalasaki Bagidan Hadu Aspa Arkonangot Kibrangi Bitmai Yakunyang Jipang COVID-19 Kini Kentup Hadu Chispa Arsangot na East Coast Hills Kasangot na East Karu Kanyangot na East Gentia Kanangot na North Karuls Kasangot na Riboy Sangot na South Karu Hills Iwe na Southwest Karu Hills Sangot na Southwest Karu Hills Sangot na West Karu Hills Arpanyangot na West Gentia Kanangot na West Coast Hills Hagani Gaju Usngipat Kladon Hadu Chispa Andropon Rungot Kiblakot Nakatagi Jumpang Kini Kentup Yaki Chispa Asop Sangot na East Coast Hills Sangot na East Gentia Sangot na Riboy Arngot na West Karu Hills Prangot na West Gentia But Iwe na West Coast Hills Kladon Ru Hadu Arngot Kibaklat Nakadaw Jung Kubit Nolor Kiwi Jumpang Kidan Kini Kentup Iwe na East Coast Hills But Iwe Pat na South Karu Hills Kumbalong Menta Kejingdon Kibapang Habrok Kuwi Kejelai Kelakot Chaka Syeja Sanspak Nepo Arngot But Kibaklat Pat Kelakot Chaka Shispa Nyufwe Ngot.
We have seen an alarming spike in cases. Today, we have seen 229 cases, the highest ever this year, in a single day, of which East Khasi Hills alone is 124. The purpose of this 10-day containment period is to reduce the intermingling of people, to stop people from crowding,